Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start Binance from zero easy guide. First, sign up with your email and set a strong password, then verify your identity to unlock deposits and trading. Next, fund your account using a bank transfer or card and choose a simple trading pair to practice. Finally, set up two-factor authentication and review withdrawal whitelist settings to protect your funds. Deposit choices on Binance are straightforward and flexible. Start with a bank transfer for lower fees and higher deposit limits when possible. If you need crypto instantly, use a debit or credit card. Understanding fees may be higher. Peer-to-peer trading can be useful for local payment methods and competitive prices. Always check network and trading fees before confirming a transfer to avoid surprises and delays. On another note, please subscribe and like if you are finding this guide helpful. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks handy during long learning sessions. They seal tight and save time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it supports the channel. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Begin trading by choosing a basic market or limit order to see how trades execute. Use only small amounts at first to learn order placement and manage emotions while markets move. Familiarize yourself with stop loss and take profit orders to protect capital and lock gains automatically. Explore Binance demo or testnet features if available, and review transaction history regularly to understand fees and performance as you build confidence slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.